And how can you describe and see how were your when you decided to join the Kabbalah Center and work there,
Yeah.
like full immersion? What was the process like? What was the experience like? What was your life like?
So I started studying as a student 17, but when I decided to work there as a chevra, which is like a full-time volunteer, living in the center and just basically serving the center, which already you can see a problem. Instead of serving oneself, not their egotistical, self-centered self, but their cultivated self, they start serving an entity outside of themselves. And the best way I can kind of put that, and it could happen in many organizations, it can happen in businesses, it can happen in relationships, is that I think one of the key basic fundamentals of cosmic psychology is that a person's self always needs to be the center of gravity of their life. Once an organization or another person, place, or thing becomes your center of gravity, you've experienced what's called a psychological displacement. You might even be doing good behavior, and you might even be doing positive intentions and doing things healthy for you, but they're not serving the cultivation of yourself. They're serving something else.